So this is the Dell Optiplex 3040, where it's the MicroTower. We're just going to show you how to upgrade the RAM on this guy. So you can locate the screw on the back over there. It's usually removable by hand. Pull that screw and just slide forward. Now locate inside, you see the solid state drive over here.
Too much pressure.
Over to the side. And you can see the RAM stick right under there. It's a 4 GB PC3L 12800S.
Expandable.
It's expandable, and that's the CPU right under there. So that's the disassembly of the Dell Optiplex 3040. Thanks for watching.